story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include heated seats, remote start, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-terrain, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, pass-through rear seat. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.